In the last few days, the team behind the Polkadot.com website, Distractive, posted a new landing page, a new page on the site, talking about the Polkadot bridge, covering this topic. In fact, let's change the screen. We are sharing the screen here, come here. And in fact, this is the landing page. And here is the interesting part. If we search on Google Polkadot bridge, we can see that already Polkadot Wiki is the page with more authority, followed by Alchemy, and already one post by Polkadot.com on the blog site. And already we are already starting to see how Polkadot bridge, this landing page, is already started to rank. So maybe in a few weeks we already see how this landing page ranks like the first option for this search. And that's pretty cool, since that's the main objective, no? Give all this authority to the Polkadot.com domain and this website, and yeah, let's try to cover all these keywords with real value. Anyways, that's for the freak people like me about SEO and content, and this is really interesting, no, to see how everything of these things works. In any case, let's talk about the main Polkadot bridge that are already on this ecosystem. These three are the VIPs. These are like the main projects covering this vertical in the ecosystem. Polkadot Kusama bridge, which is the, well, as its name says, the bridge between Polkadot and Kusama. Later we have a Snow bridge, which is the connection between Polkadot and Ethereum, with light clients. And well, the thing behind this bridge, we're already working on this project like a lot of years ago, since almost the beginning of Polkadot. So it's a really important project. And a few days ago, I think they posted a new proposal to cover the development and maintain of this project for the following year, I guess. I think it's 1 year, and it's quite expensive. I'm like $3 million, but we already know that in this industry, maybe these salaries and these projects are expensive in general. And later we have Hyperbridge, which already is a Polkadot parachain. And this project is a bridge between the Polkadot ecosystem and basically all the EVM networks: Ethereum, Optimum, Arbitrum, Base, BNB Chain, Gnosis, etc. And here we have already, for example, the UI of Hyperbridge, really cool, really cool design. And here we have the application, the app. And as you can see, we have the bridge between Polkadot and Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, BNB Chain, Gnosis, Optimist, etc. Really, really cool. I really like the UI, really, really cool. And you can see transaction fee estimated $2, time 10 minutes, this with Ethereum. With Base, for example, the estimated time is only 10 minutes and we don't have that minimum fee of $2. With Arbitrum the same, 10 minutes. But yeah, with Ethereum we have like a transaction fee of $2 because Ethereum is a little bit more expensive. And talking about this, check this thing. I didn't know this, but for example, from the same UI at the site of Snowbridge, we can make transfers from Polkadot Asset Hub to Kusama Asset Hub, and that's really, really cool. Since here is like here we have in this interface this bridge basically, because if we click here, we go directly to the Polkadot Wiki website. And here we have the other options. These are not the VIPs, but anyways, we have the internal bridge from some parachain projects like Akala, Interlay, Moonbridge, which in the end is not a UI I would highlight, since in the end is like a project which come from one hackathon, and I don't know if it's still really being highly maintained. But it's like a hub of different bridge in one same UI between Moonbeam and is using bridge like Axelar and other ways. No, we have later a Talisman Teleport, which this is really interesting because it's one bridge inside the UI of the browser wallet of Talisman, the browser extension for the Talisman wallet. And we have the same for Subwallet, which the difference is that this has also the phone app. Later we have the portal by Warhol and Simple Swap and Chain Flip, which Chain Flip, for example, are not really a bridge because it's more better say like a swap between two chains, like a service which you operate from this UI. We can come here for swap now. And for example, we can make one swap between Bitcoin and Polkadot. Asset Hub, Polkadot. I like the UI, how they highlight here Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Arbitrum, Asset Hub, and Polkadot. But also Asset Hub, because they have an Asset Hub, you can also transfer USDT and USDC. And in Polkadot, only DOT, of course. But for example, we can make a transfer between DOT and Bitcoin. And here, you don't have a bridge in a literal way between Bitcoin and Polkadot. But you can send your Polkadot to one address, and later you can make here like well, in this case, you can send your, for example, one Bitcoin to one address. You put here your address, and you put here your destination address, and well, you receive here your DOT. The point is like, it's a service, like one intermediary to say something. But this is not only the only service for this. We also will have Houdini Swap, which is similar to Chain Flip, but is different in the part like because Houdini Swap, you can make also these swaps with DOT for Solana, for example, and something like that, I think. But is operating through Monero and some things, and it's like the focus on that app is they have a focus on the privacy, for example. No? And later we have Turtle. Turtle is like one of my more interesting options for the UIs of bridge, covering this bridge in the Polkadot ecosystem. This is the homepage, and as you can see, already moved 10 million USD through Turtle UI. It's not a big amount yet for these apps, but step by step. And I like the detail that they show the amount here in the homepage. And that comes for what they say here, transparency is the way, all the way. And well, here in the homepage is very easy, very simple. Trustless, simple, Turtle, that's the slogan, very cool. And here 5 features: hard-shelled security, fully decentralized infrastructure, and as we say before, Turtle operates through Snowbridge, and this like clients, structure, infrastructure, and blah blah blah. Transparency all the way, unified experience, and multi-bridge support coming soon. This is cool because we can see that the roadmap of Turtle is to try to unify in one UI all the bridges that are going to make something with Polkadot. No? Turtle will become bridge agnostic and support additional bridge available on Polkadot. Users just need to specify the token and the destination. Turtle will handle the rest. This is really cool, and one thing really needed. So since the less fragmentation, the best. That's absolutely. And well, let's go for the app. And the UI is very easy, very simple, as the other examples, no? Even more, maybe. And here we have new transaction, and you can select here the chain. As we told before, this is only using a Snowbridge for now. You can select Polkadot, token DOT, and transfer the token DOT to Ethereum, Asset Hub, Bifrost, Mythos, Hydration, Akala, Moonbeam, Fala, Polymex, Centrifuge, Astar, Kusama, and Kusama Asset Hub. So in this UI, this is a really, really cool UI, and this is really minimalistic, really minimal. Congratulations for the team making this in the end. This is really, that's true, what they say in the homepage, no? So we can see that in these transfers, we have like 3 different operations, maybe, because you can transfer the Polkadot token dot to Ethereum using a Snow Bridge, or you can use, or you can transfer the token dot to Bifrost, Mythos, Hydration, Akala, Moonbeam, Fala, blah 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 blah, using XCM, the native interoperability in Polkadot, and you can transfer your tokens dot to Kusama and Kusama Asset Hub through the Polkadot Kusama bridge. And this is, and I guess they are updating all this information here. Look, maybe, I don't know. I don't know why they make these tags here, no? But I guess this is the operations. I don't know why they should name maybe as the Polkadot Kusama bridge. Polkadot Kusama bridge, Snow Bridge, and Polkadot Ethereum. I don't know. But yeah, the point is like this UI is really, really, really cool. Discover the widget. Turtle widget. All of Polkadot on your D app in minutes. This is really cool. Effortless integration, unified in-app experience, customizable to your brand. Swap, bridge, XCM transfer, full ecosystem compatibility, and customizable. Oh, this is really, really cool, eh? What is the Turtle widget? Turtle is a seamless cross-chain token transfer solution that makes moving digital assets between networks effortless. It abstracts away the technical complexities of cross-chain functionality, giving developers an all-in-one tool so users can transfer assets without leaving your D app and without the headache of integrating multiple interoperability providers. Features: seamless integrations, bridging, XCM transfers, and swaps, all from within your own product UI and focus on your use case. Upcoming fiat on ramps, native exchange swaps from Ethereum, Arbitrum, native exchange swaps from Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Solana. This might be something similar to the service offered by Chainflip. I think no. I think this is different. I think maybe this other thing, but I am not sure. Anyways, customizable and configurable. Match your brand with themes, layouts, and styling options. Define default tokens, chains, and flows to align with your use case. Easy integration, dropping React components, minimal configuration. Wide ecosystem support, native support for all major Polkadot parachains and Ethereum, powered by Paraspell and the Snow Bridge. Really cool, really cool, really cool. And the Paraspell guy, the team behind Paraspell, or the guy behind Paraspell, posts a lot of information on the Polkadot forum behind the project. Data dashboard, track all the relevant data in real time for your widget, volumes, numbers of hashtag transfers, hash, tokens, origin destination chains, and more. And this is the developer integration guide, also very minimal. npm install and import, and this is all or what? Really, really cool, guys. Really, really cool, eh? This is really, really, really cool. And here you have the list of all the compatible networks and tokens. And here some testimonials. Well, to be honest, for the people for the people of Velocity Labs, to be honest, I will remove this or put those testimonials from developers and teams of developers who are using this software. Because, for example, this guy, which is a cool guy, I think is a good guy, but for example, this answer is made with AI, you know? And this also is made with AI. That's why this is important. The team should remove this and change. And if you are going to put testimonials, which are really cool, put testimonials by developers or collaborators in the product. That will be more cool, because these are answers made with AI and bots. 100%. The two, both of them. And well, questions or feedback? Need help integration or have questions? Really cool. Really cool. Really congratulations to the team behind Velocity Labs and all the guys, because this is super easy to understand, super cool UI, and all my support with this project. This will be really cool to success. Tag to our team is a link to one Telegram link, and here we have the documentation. Let's see a little bit the documentation. Okay. It's only this page, which is cool too. We can see here last published 22 days. Well, really cool, guys. Really cool. Sorry, because in the end we spent almost all the video with Turtle, but I like this project so much, because it can be a really good difference, and as I say always, the less fragmentation, the better. And really cool. Only that detail for that landing page, but that's not important, no, in the end. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you in the next one. So bye bye.